Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm at Bramley Moor to do my Everton Stadium update. So when I was saying in the last video about doing a different format, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start focusing on areas of interest in the grounds, which I haven't seen much of at the moment from this side. So I'll see how that goes rather than talk about comments all the time. Okay, just going to change it up a little bit. I will be addressing comments in other videos, but just give it a little bit of a change for now. Before I start, I want to say hello to Kev and Peter, who stopped and had a chat because there was a drone in the air when I got here. So I had to wait about half an hour for that to finish whatever it was doing. Looks like a surveying drone for Lango Road, who are building the grounds. So there's a little clip of that now. As you can see, it's big. It sounds like a helicopter when it was in the air. So I had to wait for that to come down, well, finish what it was doing. It was just zigzagging all over the ground, so it must be in surveying something. So yeah, that was that. So I'll get round now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start off on the tower here. Well, it's something I haven't concentrated on for a while. So we'll get down and I'll have a little zoom in on it and see if there's anything of interest to look at. Was that wooden conical roof thing? That's temporary apparently, isn't it? So weird. If anyone can let me know on that. But we've done loads on this. With the scaffold being up, you can't really see. And what's going on down here? That's been built up, hasn't it? From that was like a ruin, wasn't it? On the floor. But yeah, it's still up in the air what that's going to be in it. Like they're talking about coffee shop and souvenir shop and stuff like that, but I don't know. But yeah, there's quite a few bodies on that now. Yeah, the brickies are working away there. Okay, so staying outside the boundaries of what we're allowed to do, and I will zoom in up on here. I don't think there's much going on here though. No, there's no bodies on there today. Yeah, there's one. He's brushing up. Good lads. I'll tell you what, good to see site getting kept in good shape. Yeah, not a lot going on there, so we'll have a little zoom out and have a little fly around because it's impossible to fly in zoom modes. Don't know where you are, don't know what you're doing. Stay where I am because there's a helicopter heading my way. There it is. There you go. Let's practice to zoom, eh? I've lost it. Oh, there it is. Anyway, fly sensibly. Right. Again, we'll get round because I'm expecting that to be back. But they've got a floor, we've got a ceiling to stick to, so there's no chance of a collision. Our ceiling's 120 metres. Their floor is 400, I think. If I look down on this corner, don't worry, I will be cutting out any rubbish in the videos, to be fair. It must be clean up day. I need that helicopter. I need that helicopter coming back here. Here it is. Nice. Training or something. Yeah, the drone can't keep up. Alright, that's back across the water. I will be cutting out any rubbish. Right, let's see him down here. What's going on here? I say it must be clean up day, brand new motor today. What's he doing over there? Okay. And down here, there's quite a lot going on the grounds, if I'm being fair. Oh yeah, there's that big trench that's apparently for the water, for the grounds. A big massive water bars will be going in there, I take it. Get around the far side so there's anything I can see around there. Some bodies on the ground in this corner. Let's have a look. That's some kind of waste system. Looks like it could be. First he's on the ground still. Still not entirely sure, but people are saying palings. Between the trusses. Yeah, I don't know. Still none the wiser. I think it's definitely clean up day today. Bank holiday tomorrow. Are they going to be working tomorrow? I don't think so. zoom in, let's get a bit more height. A little bit of rain comes down as well, which is not ideal. Little sun shower going on here. Okay, maximum height now. Yeah, there's not a lot going on there, so I'm gonna quickly bring the drone back around to where I am. Let's have a little look inside the grounds. People walking around, not a lot going on. I think it's because it's bank holiday tomorrow. I think everyone's in holiday mode. So I shall get round to the south stand side. Have a little look down there, and then I'll call it a day after that. Okay, let's have a little look down here. Not a lot to be seen there. Hard to touch. Yeah, that's about it, guys. There's not a lot to see today, to be fair. But if anyone's got anything that I should have focused on, let me know. I'll focus on it next time. But apart from that, thanks for watching. Thank you for Peter and Kev for stopping by. And I'll speak to you all soon. One thing I forgot to mention, with the white cranes coming down, this near one here, that's the next one to come down, then the far corner, and then the one on the far side there will be that last down, and apparently 2 more big cranes are going to be moved into this area here, where they will start doing the brickwork. Okay, thank you.